Okay, so now we currently have a weapon generator script working on this capsule here, this green capsule. This is going to be replaced later when the enemy dies. And for now, just for testing sake, I'm going to press G to generate a random weapon inside the capsule. So here we see a sword here, and this thing is, the name is not done yet, but we see these stats that correspond to this weapon. So it's a rarity of type 0, which means it's a common weapon, and the multiplier is 0 because of that the type, the white type. So item level is something that's also random for every weapon, and this one is a 5, which is out of 9. So the stats will be adjusted based on that item level. So HP regen is the only stat that this one has, and it's slightly buffed because of that 5 item level. We see here that this sword is created, and it has the stats over here. And in our inventory, we have a few items already. We'll just go ahead and clear them all. And we see in our game manager that our inventory is empty. So now we're going to pick the sword up. I can click on the collider, which I should probably make bigger because I can't seem to click it. Okay, let's just increase this radius. And it's not the radius that matters actually, it's this collider. So I can pick that weapon up, and it should be in my script here. And we see when we generated it, the ID here is it starts with JX, and my inventory is JX, and how we're storing it, we see the JX here, and then the stats here are exactly what it was, just HP regen. So now we can just generate many items, gun, sword. So this one looks like it's the only melee or ranged weapon here. And yeah, see that it's ranged. Let's see if any of these are really rare. Doesn't seem like it. This one is the most rare. Another sword, and let's do a few more. Any rare guns? Rare sword again. Okay, this one's pretty good. Alright, so let's pick these up. And now we can go back to the game manager and see in the inventory what these are. And we can even inspect here. We can see the rarity, the stats that correlate to each item. This one is really good. Looks like, oh wow, okay. I'm level 4 on a highest rarity here. This is a gold weapon. Gives a lot of mana regen, gives some HP, strength, and dex. It's pretty good stats if you ask me. Zero damage, but yeah, this one's the best one so far. But yeah, so this persists throughout throughout the game. Just playing the game, it'll save on pickup, and when you play again, it'll load that inventory in that JSON file. So here we can see it again. That sword here, strength dex, max HP, MP regen, and mana. So yeah, we got it working. We just need to now drop it here and also work on some UI maybe when you hover over the item so you know which item it is. Yeah.